So today I am at the Habitat for Humanity ReStore again. So here's the most interesting thing here today is 2 Pink Core Memoirs Ingenium toilets. You see, one of them is 1 piece and the other here is 2 piece. This one even has the matching seat on it. And then we've got a couple Toto Vest toilets here. It appears we've got a bunch of crap all over this, and this one is broken. And it has a mismatched Mansfield tank lid. That's nice. And we have some garbage in here. Next, we have a Crane Galaxy. I think that says 1996. And a Glacier Bay 1 piece, which I don't think that needs much attention. Here's another Toto Vest one, which there's no tank lid. That one's got an interesting trap design. Then we have a Kohler Cimarron bowl, a beige 2000s Ultima, a ProFlow Jarrett tank back here, and then there's a couple other things over here, but they're broken. Oh, we have a lowered light. That's interesting. And then a Sterling Wyndham. And then some sinks, and I think that's about it. There's some more sinks and stuff over there and over here. So yeah, that's about it.